what we call the grandpa cabin. Here we do a lot of woodworking, anything from snowshoes to fishing rods to little toboggans. We also do a lot of on the land stuff. So we take the kids on the land. That's why we have the big snowshoes here, so the kids make their own snowshoes and we go out and set snares and stuff like that.
These are a couple paddles that the kids have made, and all from scratch. Lots of love in this.
This was made by our outdoor ed class. Teaches them about the dexterity, the fine craftsmanship. So this took 2 months to complete. So this is a good lesson in craftsmanship and a bit about the history of the ancient people.
See a huge change in their attitudes. Here they're the sweetest children you'll ever meet.